stop reading now that you're here. But do you want to learn how to make this really cool bookmark? Let's do it. Hello, my talented artists. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe. To make our bookmarks, we are using the watercolor paper from our watercolor warm-ups. The first thing you're gonna do is you want to cut a length of yarn, whatever color you want your tassel to be, and it should be at least as long as your bookmark. If you want a really long one, you could have it be twice as long as your bookmark, but that's probably about as long as you want it. No longer than twice the length of your bookmark. I'm gonna make mine just a little longer than so that's how long my string is, my yarn. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our finger muscles with these hole punchers. Now this paper is harder, and that's why it makes a good bookmark, but it also makes it a little bit harder to hole punch, but I believe in you. So one problem that people might make is that they punch the hole too close to the edge. And what you want to do is you want to stick the hole punch all the way in as far as it can go, and then kind of hold it. You don't have to punch it right away, just like you're holding it. And then you can grip the hole punch with two hands. I'm holding it, I'm just holding it, like pinching it in place, and now I'm gripping it with two hands. And I would stand up while you do this and just press together. I believe in you, you can do it. So now I have a hole, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my yarn in half like that, and I'm going to pull it so I have just a little loop and kind of twist it a little bit like that. And then I'm gonna push it right through that hole. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. I'm just gonna pull it a little bit out and open up the loop. Then I'm gonna take the ends. That's why we fold it in half. We want it to be even. Mine's not perfectly even, but that's okay. I could always trim it. And then I'm gonna stick my ends through the loop. Let me show you again. So I'm just going to take the ends and stick them through that loop like that. And then I'm gonna pull the ends, just the ends, like that. Ta-da! Now you've made a really cool bookmark. I love it. You could always add words like read, or add little decorations or drawings. It could be a gift to someone. I didn't finish this back. This bookmark belongs to Mrs. Karen's. Yay! That's a cool bookmark.